Hello students, your second term exam will be start from 14th December 2020. As you know, this time your exam will not be based on multiple choice question. This time you will get answer sheet from school and the question paper in the form of PDF. And you will write the questions in that answer sheet which will you get from the school. So you will prepare your assignment, home assignment started from 15th home assignment to 25th assignment. This is the syllabus of your second term exam. Student, this time you will write the answer of all the questions. So be sincere with your study. Now we will start a revision and you will prepare all these chapters for your second term exams. Let's start. That are displayed on the screen. It consists of a number of slides. We have seen in offices when anybody complete their work, they will show their project in the presentation form. Slides are the individual pages of a PowerPoint presentation which are displayed one by one on the screen to communicate information to the audience. Slides are like a workbook pages. In PowerPoint, slides work as a page. Slideshow. It is an electronic presentation displayed on the computer screen with multimedia effects. These presentations are very useful in the teaching learning process, demonstrations, seminars, etc. Then PowerPoint view. MS PowerPoint provides different view to help while making a presentation. There are 4 views. When we are using PowerPoint, we get 4 types of views in PowerPoint. First is normal view. It is the most for working and making presentations. Slide sorter view. In this view, we can see all the slides of our presentation on the screen at a reduced scale. Means we can view all the slides in reduced form, in short forms. If there are 10 slides, it will show 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 slides at one time form. Reading view. In this view, we can see all the slides one by one, but we cannot work on our slides in this view. This is the reading view where I am making this video. Next is action buttons. They are communicative buttons which can be added on the slides to perform various actions. The different buttons are named as back or previous button. This button is used to go the back slide or previous slides. Forward or next button. This button used to go to the next slide or forward the slides. Beginning. This button used to go the beginning of the page. And this button is take us to the end of the slide. Home. It will also bring our home page on the slide. Information. It will give the information about the presentations. Return. It will give the return value. Movie. By this button we can see the movie on the screen. Document. It shows the document of our systems. Sound. It gives the sound effect. It will increase or decrease the sound of the system also. Help. It give if we have any problem and we want to solution, this help button will help to solve that problem. Custom. In custom, by pressing this button, we will use different types of effects in the system also. Now next is slide master. It is the topmost slide in the order of slide that provides common information to all the slides in a presentation. Generally, a presentation contains at least one slide master to make the task easier for the user. Means we can say that In each and every presentation, one slide master is there and it is mandatory. Next, custom animation. Custom animation allows to add different visual effects to a slide. We can give different effects to our slides by custom animation. It makes this slide transition is that type of effect when we are changing one slide to a second slide. It will give the different effects. It determines how the current slide switches to the next slideshow view. It helps to display the slide to the viewers and communicate the ideas and thoughts through the presentation. It is advised that the entire presentation must be thoroughly seen and checked before it is shown to the viewers. Means we can check our presentation before to view the viewers that presentation. This is the revision of visual effects. Now next, this is the revision of computer language. Computer. First we know what is computer. A computer is an electronic device that operates according to the instructions stored in its memory. Computers are used in various fields in our daily life. We know in nowadays computer play an important role in our life. In each and every place we will use computer in the different form. For this, first, what is computer language? A language is the main computer language is not like a English language. It is the different type of language which system can understand. So a language is the main medium of communicating between the computer system, and the most common are the programming languages. As we know, a computer only understands binary number, that is 0 and 1, to perform various tasks, because computer cannot understand the English language. It understands only two binary number, 0 and 1. By using that binary number, we can give the code to understand the computer language. There are four types of languages. First is low level language. Low level languages are the machine codes in which the instructions are given in machine language in the form of 0 and 1 to a computer system. Second, machine language. It is one of the low level language which is the first generation language developed for communicating with a system, with a computer. Assembly language. It is the second generation programming language that has almost similar structure and set of commands as machine language. It is same like a machine language. Next is high level language. Next and last is high level language. The high level languages are most used and also more considered programming languages that helps a programmer to read, write and maintain our programs. It is also the third generation language. So we can say that machine language is the first generation language, assembly language is the second generation language, and high level language is the third generation language. Now we will discuss about the characteristics of fourth generation language, that is also known as 4GL. 4GL, highly user friendly and independent, means we can understand the coding easily, and it is independent language. It will not depend on the machines. Very high speed of execution. Yes, its speed is very high. Minimum efforts from the user to obtain any information, means user cannot do maximum effort to solve the problems to get the information. The features of high level language: uses English word and mathematical operators, machine independent. It has to be converted into machine language by translator, programmers, interpreter and compiler. The feature of assembly level language. Assembly level language, mnemonic codes or symbols instead of binary numbers are using. Assembly language dependent on machine language, has to be converted into machine language by translator, programmer, assembler. Now, generation of computer. There are 5 generations of computer till date. First generation started from 1946 to 1959. In this generation, vacuum tubes are used. Second generation started from 1959 to 1965. In this generation, transistors are used. Third generation computer, the It is started from 1965 to 1971. This computer use integrated circuit. Fourth generation, it will start from 1971 to 1980. It started from 1971 to 1980. They are using VLSI microprocessors. Now fifth generation. It started from 1980 till now onwards. They are using ULSI microprocessors. Now purpose-wise computer can be classified into generation-wise. It characterized in 5, but purpose-wise it is classified into 2 types: general purpose computer and special purpose computer. General purpose computer, these computers can store different programs and can thus be used in countless applications. Special purpose computers is the one that is designed to perform only one special task. So we can say general purpose computer used for general use, but special purpose computer are designed to do a special task. Third is size-wise computer can also be divided into 4 types: microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer, and supercomputer. There are 2 types of microcomputer. They are divided size-wise. Microcomputer size is very small. The mini computer size is greater than microcomputer, but and speed is also greater than his mainframe computer. The size of mainframe computer is greater than mini computer, and supercomputer is the size of very large. There are 2 Indian supercomputer, Anurag and Param. On the basis of working principle, the computer divided into 3 categories. Analog computer. In analog computer, the signals are going in analog form. Means it will go in the graphical form. Digital computer, in this the signals are going into digit form, 0 and 1 form. Hybrid computer, these are the combination of analog and digital computer. Now we will revise file, organization of file chapters, which we have done in our half yearly exam also. First, I will explain you what is file. File is required to store information in a computer. A file is a collection of data or information. All information stored in a computer must be in a file. There are different types of file: data files, text file, program file, directory files, and so on. Then folder. Folders are used to organize a computer file so that it can be found easier. A folder will contain subfolder and then files. File path. A file path shows the location of where a file, web page, or other item is located on the computer. Now I am telling you the different functions which we are doing on the files. First is renaming files. Suppose we have given a file name and we want to change the file name. So for this we will use the renaming command. The rename command allows you to change the name of the file. As with cut and copy, there are 3 different ways to rename files: action menu, shortcut, and left click. We can change the file name by these. Action menu we can change. Shortcut key we will also use to change the file name, and left click we can also change. Second function is copying file. When you copy a file or a duplicate of file is created and stored on the computer's clipboard. Suppose I have made a file and I want to that file in another drive also, so that we will copy that file, means we will make a duplicate file of that file. Moving files, it is different from the copy of file. When moving file, the file or files that you move are copied to a new destination, but then deleted from its original destination. In copying a file, it will create a duplicate file, but in moving file, it will go to it will move a new destination and it will delete it from its original destination. Next is searching for files. Suppose we have forgot the file name and we want to search that file because it is very difficult. If you are struggling to find a file on the computer, you can always search for it. The search function allows you to look for any file that is on the computer. Now next function, deleting file, means we can delete our files from the system also. The delete command enables you to remove files from the storage device. This command can be used to either remove files that you do not need anymore or to make more space on the storage device. Hope you all understood. We have revised all the chapter which will come in second term examination. If you have any problem, you can contact me through mail. See all the videos from 15th assignment to 25th assignment and revise all the home assignment for your second term examinations. Good luck for your examination. Thank you.